got this spray paint. Hopefully it's the same color. We'll see. Looks pretty exact to me. Let's prep our pieces to spray. So we'll let these dry. We'll put on a couple more coats. Go from there. See the color matches pretty much exact, so that's good. Sew all this stuff up, get it put on. As you can see, I've already got this side done. Do this headliner job real quick. Got this side done. Got the little strip that goes across the back there done. All that's left is to screw in the painted pieces and put the seats in. Nice and tight, that's how we want it. Oh yeah, we're getting somewhere. Cool. Let me curl that up a little bit so I can get it in. So I'm hoping this is going to work. Put some super glue on this washer to try and reach this bolt through this small hole. See what happens. I'll let you know. Well guys, we did it. Back seat. I'm glad we went with this design. Kick panels. Recovered this little strip here. Covered the door handles instead of painting. And that's what she looks like.